Hello students, I'm pretty excited to build a new robot. Now you and me, we can just fly our hands and the robot will move forward. How? We are going to develop a new robot, that is hand following robot. So we can take our hand to the robot and just fly, then the robot will follow us. We are using here an IR sensor, and this will take our hands as an obstacle. The moment we take our hand near the robot, then robot will consider our hand as an obstacle and it will just follow our hand. The moment will be follow, will be in front of the robot. Let's keep our hand in front of the robot and the robot, let the robot follow us. So this is a hand movement following robot. Here we are going to use multiple eye. We can use one IR sensor, we can use multiple IR sensor, and we are using again the transistor, capacitors, the relay to trigger our motors. Let's build this robot. Just see our step by step approach in the assembly, how we are preparing our mundane circuit and how we are using the logic gates in our circuits. And after following each and every step, you develop this particular project and see the output and feel what could be the industrial application by using this technology for safety and for security of humans in the industry. Just imagine.
Welcome students, welcome to SAG Robotics. Today we will learn the circuit connection of the hand following robot. So in hand following robot we use two IR sensor and 6 class PC board where the ground section, 5 volt section and 12 volt section will be there, and we use two NPN transistor, that is BC547 transistor, and we use two center shaft DC gear motor and a 2 DPDT relay. So now we'll start the connection. So first of all we connect the first IR sensor VCC to the 5 volt, then it's a ground section, then it's a output will connect to the 1k resistor. Across 1k resistor we take the data to the relay. So similarly we connect the second IR sensor, the VCC will connect to the 5 volt, then it's a ground will connected to the ground, then it's a out will connected across the 10k resistor. Now we will complete the circuit connection. First of all we take the signal across 1k resistor of the first IR sensor to the first NPN transistor. So we'll give the data at the base point, and the emitter section will connected to ground. Now the collector section, across collector we will take the signal. The collector will be connected to the first DPDT relay. Then to complete the DPDT relay circuit we connect the RC2 and RS to the 12 volt. So RC2 connected to the 12 volt. Now RS2 will connected to 12 volt and the RS1 will connected to ground, and across NC1 and NC2 we connect the left side. Now similarly we connect the second IR sensor connection. So across 10k resistor we will take the data or signal to the second transistor at the base point, then the emitter will connected to ground. Now the across collector will take the data to the second motor. So here we will take the data to the second DPDT relay. Now to complete the circuit connection we will take RS3 to the connected at the ground, then the RC4 and the RS4 will connected to the 12 volt. Now our circuit will be completed. So let us see how the circuit connection, how the robot will follow the hand. Now we will supply the power supply. So here there is no obstacle. Now the left IR sensor will detect obstacle, so the left motor will be on. Now the right IR sensor will detect the hand, then the right sensor will be on. Similarly when both are detect the hand, then the robot will be activated. See again, here the left will be detect hand, then left will be on. Now the right will detect hand, right will be on. Now both are following the hand.